Alright, so I see that the kids have gotten into mommy's stuff to play dress up. How many of you kids have done that? They got all my stuff out. Look. And you're not going to fit in mommy's shoes. But you got my rollers and my brushes and my curling iron. And that's a party dress. Are you telling me that you want to go out because it's Saturday night? You want to go clubbing? So you'll get ready to go clubbing? Oh my goodness, the disco. I don't know if they're ready for you yet. Oh, they're Gummy. Gummy can do her dance moves at the disco, right? You want to do your dance move? Oh, Gummy, look. Oh, Gummy, you're a good girl. You see pretty? Yeah. Oh, the good girl, Gummy. Come on, sit. Come on, sit. 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 Is it pretty? I know, Lolly, you don't know how to do sit pretty. But Gummy does. Gummy, sit pretty? Good girl, Gummy. What good girl. Good girl. Okay, so it's our Saturday night get ready to go out night. The hot chicks on the town, right? Gummy, your hair wasn't ready to take the roller out yet. It's not going to be curly now. All right, we'll see you later. Have a great night, great weekend. Tag a friend. Make another person smile. Bye-bye.